Everybody, on today's video I'm going to teach you how to make a Flipgrid. Flipgrid videos are really fun because they're short little video clips that you make to share with the rest of your classmates. So the first thing that you need to do is you're going to need to go to the internet. When you go to the internet, you're going to type in up here in the address bar www.flipgrid.com/rivers3. That's going to be our code to go to our class. I'm going to give you a minute if you need to pause the video so you can type that in on your browser, on your address bar. You can do that. Once you're to this screen, this shows you that these are who your teachers are. You're going to click Join with Google. You can click Remember Me so that you only have to do this one time. So when you say Join with Google, you're going to find your account on here. That's going to be the account that is the @students.k12k.com account. And it'll hopefully say Login Successful. If it does not, then let me know. Once you're in here, then you're going to go to your first topic, and your first topic says share your narrative. You're going to record yourself reading your story. Please don't add any extras. We love to see your pets and things like that on Google Meets when we have time, but on these Flipgrids, this is just you, and this is just reading your story. So I really want you to focus on reading your narrative, read it clearly and loudly so we can all hear. You're going to click on Record a Response. It might ask you this up here to use your camera. If it says to use your camera, then just say, yes, we want to use the camera. For me right now, it's telling me that it can't use my camera because I'm already using it for something else. I'm already using it for this video, so it's not letting me use the camera. But when you click it, it should allow you to use the camera. Once you're in here, it's walking you through the steps of what to do. The main thing is you want to make sure that your microphone is on. You want to make sure that your microphone is on so that way we can hear you. And to do that, just before you start recording, click on the buttons at the bottom of the screen, and one of those will make sure to activate your microphone so that way you can do this. You can do this from a phone. There's an app for this as well. If you do that, you'll just enter in this code right here at the top on your phone. It even has it where you can scan it really giant if you want to just do it on your phone that way, if you don't want to do it on your Chromebook. And what you'll do is it will automatically send it to me. I will either accept it and say, yes, you did a great job, or if you added extras in that you weren't supposed to, I'll send it back to you and ask you to redo it. Then, once everybody's have been submitted, you'll be able to go back and read or listen to all your classmates' stories. Once you've done that, you can comment on their stories as well. Please comment positive comments, things that they did well in their story. Those comments also are moderated, so I'll have to go in there and approve the comments. So make sure that you tell them what they did well, what you liked about their story, and their favorite part. Hopefully you enjoy using Flipgrid. Thanks!